Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally Prime on your phone. First, you will need to install a remote desktop application on your smartphone. There are many excellent options available, often free or for a small one-time purchase. Next, ensure your main computer, where Tally Prime is installed, is powered on and connected to the internet. This setup allows you to securely access your accounting software from virtually anywhere, providing immense flexibility for your business operations. Configuring remote access is a straightforward process. Begin by enabling remote desktop features on your main computer, usually found in System Settings. It is crucial to set a very strong, unique password for this connection to maintain security. You will then need your computer's IP address, which your mobile app will use to locate it. Once these details are entered into your phone's remote desktop client, you are just a few taps away from accessing Tally Prime. Once connected, you can interact with Tally Prime just as if you were sitting at your desk. Your phone screen becomes a window to your desktop, allowing you to navigate menus and enter data using touch gestures. You can perform critical tasks such as creating invoices, checking inventory, or reviewing profit and loss statements. The ability to access your full accounting system on the go offers unparalleled convenience and responsiveness for your business needs. To ensure a smooth and secure experience, always connect via a trusted and private network, avoiding public Wi-Fi when handling sensitive data. Regularly backing up your Tally Prime data is also paramount to prevent any loss. Keeping both your remote desktop application and Tally Prime software updated will ensure optimal performance and security. For enhanced precision, especially on smaller phone screens, consider using a stylus, which can make navigation much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.